Well, hello. This is the original third brake light, and as you can see, it is just destroyed on the top and parts of the sides from heat cracks. And the lamp goes up inside here, and so Jesse created one in CAD, 3D CAD, and this is what we came up with. He originally had a single piece, but it won't fit on my printer. See, it's too big to fit on the print surface, so we split it up and printed it like that. All of this material is the support material to hold, to allow the printer to print. These overhangs, and all of this overhang material here is printed using this support material that's printed along with it. So this is what we ended up with, and a few printing anomalies. But for our first run, I think it's acceptable, more than acceptable. And we've got a shelf to print here that's ready to go, which I cannot print on my, that's the remnants of that shelf is right there. So I'm going to get this whole thing printed on my daughter's printer, who can print large objects like this. And I need to stop because Roomba has started her Sunday morning cleaning. So there you have it. I'm going to glue this together and insert the lamp, and we'll see how it looks.